So deep in my feelings, notice they really like me. Can't control my anxiety, feeling like I'm touching the ceiling.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Shay here. I'm here to do a quick haul on a few little summer pieces, like shoes that I ordered off of Dow's Kill. And it's like a 4 pair of shoes that I ordered off their website. This is my first time ordering off this website, and I wanted to let you guys know this is not a sponsor. I just thought it was an amazing website for me to come on here and tell y'all about. They have like unique shoes. That's what I really love, like platform shoes and everything like that. And also they have like a plus size section, but their section was like really small, so I didn't order any clothes from that section. But I love their accessories, like their earrings, their handbags, and their shoes. So this is my first time ordering off their website, and I will say I would do it again. So let's get started, and I'll show you the few pieces that I ordered. I ordered from the clearance rack also, the clearance section, I'm gonna say. It came in this box right here, but this is the tissue that goes inside of that, and this is the box of shoes, and they're like little sandals that I ordered. Like if you want to go to the nunnery, get your feet done, and you need some slides. And I thought these were really cute. Let me say something that I like. It's these red shoes that say "fuck off." I thought these were so cute. They had like a yellow pair too, but they said something else. And these were only $25, like $25. And I thought they were cute. On the beach, some slides that you just want to throw on with a sundress or something like that. So I thought these were really cute. And I go to the nunnery a lot, so I thought these were cute to put on. And then I've been having people shade me, so this is for them. So yeah, you always gotta have a hater. So I love these, and these were only $25. And the crazy part is, one time I was trying to order these shoes, they were sold out. And when they were sold out, I went back on, they restocked. I was like, wow, when people usually have things in clearance, they don't like restock. So I thought that was really good. The shoes that I ordered, these are like clogs, came in this box. And they come in a plastic. So I think these are cute. I thought they were going to be too small. I got both pair of these shoes in a 9. So, and they true to size. True to size. These are cute. I thought well, this is the tissue inside of the shoe. But these were really cute. I really like them. I got a 9 in these. They look kind of small, but they true to size. Also, I like how they're leveled. You know, being plus size, you want something very supportive. So I got these. I think these are really cute. And they're clogs, sandals, I'm gonna say. So you remember clogs, but these are the clog like sandals. So I thought they were really cute. And stretchy band on the side. So I really like these too. Shoes, the third pair. They come in a box like this. I was looking at them because Kerryn keep on talking about my shoes. And I got these in a 10. And they like hologram shoes. Like Kerryn gonna call them stripper shoes. But I thought they were like platform sandals. I thought they were so cute. Because like, it's hard to find shoes like this. And all 3 pair of these shoes that I just showed you were $25. And they're really supportive. And that's another thing, trying to find shoes that's like a nice price and that don't fall apart so fast and, you know, easy. So these are really cute. So they had a gold pair too. So I thought these were really cute. And I got these in a 10. These were also $25. Check out the website. So, and then it was they were 3 pair of sandals. So I ordered a pair of sneakers that I really wanted. I ordered a 9 in these. And this is the way the box comes. And I ordered a 9 in these. And then you see these look like the Gucci shoes. I saw a few famous people in these. If you look up any of them. These look like Gucci shoes. These are not Gucci. But these look like Gucci shoes. These were $45. I just love these shoes. Like, I was so excited when I seen that they had these in stock, and they have a lot of other platform sneakers, so I do want to try some of them. But when I seen these, I thought the rainbow was so cute. I thought these were cute in the front because they look like Gucci. I ain't wearing no Gucci sneakers, and because I looked up the price of them too, and they were too expensive. So I thought these were really, really cute. Something for the spring and summer. Dolls Kill. And yeah, so that's the order form that I ordered, and it's called Dolls Kill. So once again, please check out their website. This is not a sponsorship. Also, look in their clearance rack when you go to their website. It says clearance in red. It's called Dolls Kill. They have reasonable prices, and their accessories are to die for everything. So, you know, please comment, subscribe, and like. Thumbs up my video, please. And thank you so much for watching this video. And thanks so much for checking out all of my hauls. And see you next video.